Hello everyone, welcome back to Coupons. Today I got the opportunity to make another video on this mobile. Mobile name is Redmi A4. This the box is entered in red color. We can see the main specification. Or in this top of this box, we have a red. The top of we have MI logo and A4 and 5G smartphone. And coming to specification, this mobile comes with a Snapdragon A4 Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 5G processor and smooth 120Hz display. And backside we have a complete specification. Over here you can see here Redmi, and entirely we are going to the step by step into entire specification. This mobile has a name is Redmi A4 5G next gen 5G chipset. Along with that we have a Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 processor, 5G processor, as well as we have a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, power efficiency, 4nm aperture, and backside we have a three cameras like a halo design premium glass back, and we have a 5160 microamp battery and 18 watts fast charging, 30 watts charging. We have a inbox, we have 30 watts charger, and it comes with a 50 megapixel main camera. Here are the main features of this mobile. Let's quickly unbox the device. Let's take your knife and tampering this one, and we need to tamper this one also. Okay, let's take out the mobile. So yeah, here is the mobile. You can see here in this box we have a mobile. Along with mobile we are taking out the some other things. We have a SIM ejector. Inside we have some manual inside here, and we are placing the mobile inside, and we have a cable charging and data transfer. We can use, by using this cable we can charge the mobile, and we can transfer data. We all know about this one. We have a charger, 33 volts charger. You can see yes, this is the 33 volts charger which was available in the box. Let's see, is there any other things in the box? We don't have any other things in the box. They can reduce the size of this box. We have only one charger. Sorry, nowadays most of the companies are not providing the chargers. You can see here this is the 33 volts like a Xiaomi communication co limited, designed by Xiaomi, and placing the charger in the box. You can see here they can save a lot of space in designing the box also. Let's quickly unbox, like review the mobile. This is the mobile we have. Taking off the cover. Previously we used to have some designing part, like this is the smartphone which we have right now. You can see here, and backside where we have a like a 4 angle camera. Like we have a premium design, larger circle design, and we have some finishes moonlight, like a black color. It's a dark black color. There's specific name for this color. Okay, you can see here this is a glassy finish. We have a star, like a glassy shiny finish, and back right side we have a volume up and down button and power button, as well as we have a sim here. We need to remove sim over here, by setting the pin over that. And top of that we have a 3.5 micro, like a 3.5 jack to connect your earphones, headphones, whatever it is. And bottom of this mobile we have a type C charger along with a mic and speaker. This is the complete overview of this design. Mobile is little bit bigger size, not my heart is big, my arm, my hand is big, but unfortunately it's very little bit difficult to hold this mobile. It was the almost biggest size. This is one of the biggest size mobile we have. You can see inside, this is the biggest size mobile. No, it's not that comfortable in hand. Little bit, if they increase the size of this mobile, it will be more advanced. Let's quickly switch on the mobile. This is the mobile where Redmi X4. In this mobile we have two colors. This one is like basically we have two color variants. One is sparkle purple and second one is starry black. This is the starry black. And coming to the chipset, we have a Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 mobile platform chipset and 4nm processor. We have Coming to display size, we have almost like a 17.47 centimeters, like a 6.88 display, like a 6.8 inch display is the biggest display, one of the biggest display. Compared to display size, mobile is not that sleeky, not that bulky, like a medium, but holding is it was very difficult to hold in my hand, like the size is very big. We have a like a notches also there. And coming to the we have a notch type water drop screen. It when we comes with the when we go it comes to a water drop screen, 16 to 120 Hz refresh ratio, and screen to body ratio is 90%. And we have a touch sampling rate by 120 Hz into 60 Hz, 240 into like a 240 into 120 Hz. Okay, and this mobile has one more option, one more like a great like we have a TUV low blue light certification, TUV flickering free certification. We have TUV gradation free friendly certification. Now the brightness of the like a 600 to 450 nits. And coming to the rear camera, we have a 50 megapixel rear camera. You can see here 50 megapixel rear camera. We have a three cameras, like a main rear f value is 1.8 pixel, lens type is 5 pixel, and flash it has a flash. And we can record up to like a 1080 pixel 30 fps. And coming to the front camera, with this rear camera situation, coming to front camera, we have a 5 megapixel camera. And as well as we have a f2.2 1080p. We can record videos, as well as make you take a photos, not great photos, decent photos for this mobile. And coming to the audio, it has a mono speaker. You can connect like 3.5, we can connect 3.5 single mic. We have a single mic to this mobile. As well as we have connectivity like a wi-fi 5, and as brand version of like a bluetooth version of 5.0. We have a dual sim capability of this mobile. You can see here, this is the dual sim capability. You can insert two sims, like a we can insert two sims plus one SD card, or it can be expandable up to 1 TB. In this mobile, we have a two variants, like one is 4 GB, 64 GB, and this mobile is like a this mobile is not that variant. This mobile is 4 GB, 64 GB variant. Let's check. Coming to setting, let's go deep into the about mobile. You can see here, no, okay, it's a 128 GB variant. We can see here Redmi 4A 128 GB variant. This is the 128 GB variant. Price may be varied to device. And one more thing, it has a like IP54 rating, and we have a like a glass black frame material glass, and Type C connectivity, mid frame material glass, polycarbonate. It comes with a 5160 microns type like a battery capacity. And as well as we can max charging support up to 18 volts. In box we have a charger like a 53 volts charging, and the OS version comes with a like Hyper OS 14, like Android, coming with the Android 14 version. And it has a how many like a OS security, like going to provide 2 plus 4 years security. And sensor, we have a fingerprint sensor. We have a we have fingerprint sensor over here. It is the main camera, 50 megapixel flash over here. And we have a two other cameras. I didn't mention anything. We have a in this mobile we have a side fingerprint sensor. Let's check. Like fingerprint sensor. Let's we need to update those things. We need to update more many things here. Lock screen. We have a we can unlock your we have a fingerprint lock, regular like a pattern of numbers and swipe. Anyone we can use it for this mobile. You can use fingerprint face, trying to fingerprint like a enter password. No, I'm not updating anything. We have a fingerprint and everything, fingerprint unlock also. Okay, this is all about this mobile. If you have any doubts regarding this mobile, check the description, just comment your opinion on description below. Okay, I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to more coupons for more videos like this. Thank you guys, stay tuned. Follow me on my view my couponjuice.com blog for more videos, more articles related to mobiles.